Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Freya, and today I'm going to be telling you what I'd pack personally in a school emergency kit. So, close up my mini fridge. So, first off we're starting with a sort of like a bag like this, or like a bum bag, like a Lululemon bum bag or something like that. So the first thing I'd pack in it was like a pen, like a good pen that you could use just in case you needed a pen. And then definitely hair bubbles, because if you need to tie your hair back at some point, I definitely recommend that. Then tissues, because you need tissues if you come down with like a cold or something suddenly. Some body butter, like hand cream or something like that, because school air can be super duper dry. And then in the summertime, just some sun cream if you are feeling like you need some and you're gonna burn. Then I'd also recommend, if you suddenly come down with a cold, like the tissues, I definitely recommend this called Vicks. It's an inhale at nasal stick, and I currently have got the cold, as you can see. So basically what you do is you just sniff up this like this, and it has like a certain smell to it, and it'll unblock your nose. You can get this, or you can get it in a different brand, like the same brand but like in a different shape, and you put it on a tissue and you sniff it and it'll unblock your nose for you. And then I recommend like just a lip balm that you can use just in case your lips are chapped, because you don't want that. And then maybe like just a little bit of a spritz if you need some. I'd also recommend deodorant, but that's not in my room at the minute. Yeah, and then I've got one more thing, but I forgot to put it in my bag. I'd definitely recommend a hand sanitizer, just like this one here, just a small one, or even just a Nivea one, just a small one. I'd probably take my Touchland, but I wouldn't take it to school. I'd take something like this, and yeah, that is all. But I wouldn't take too much strong of a perfume, just like this one, and this one doesn't have a very strong scent. It's just a little scent that'll... No, actually I'm going to put that in my mini fridge because that'll be nice. It didn't have a strong scent at all. It's just a little bit of a spritz that will, you know, make you smell better if you're not smelling too good, or you just want a bit of a refresh. But yeah, that's what I pack personally in mine, just in sort of like a bag like this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.